I've been running from my own reflection, every mirror showing my direction. Every shadow knows my name at night. I keep moving, but I cannot fight. Then the drum speaks underneath my feet, older than the oldest heartbeat. Something in me starts to slow, something in me starts to know. Shadows never stay, shadows never stay. Morning always finds a way. Shadows never stay, shadows never stay. I was dark, but now I'm facing the day. Built my walls from years of silent pain. Every stone was someone else's gain, but the cracks are where the music came, and the broken parts are never shamed. Now I hear the ancient call of drums, pulling me back to where I'm from. Not a place, but a state of mind, the self I left 1,000 miles behind. Shadows never stay, shadows never stay. Morning always finds a way. Shadows never stay, shadows never stay. I was dark, but now I'm facing the day. Truth is never bleak. What I feared the most was the part of me I needed Shadows never stay. Every night gives birth to day. Shadows never stay, shadows never stay. I am here